Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, an active fingerprint sensor, and at least one enrolled fingerprint in settings. Once done, install or update the app so it supports biometric lock. Make sure permissions are granted. Next, open the app and go straight to its settings, then find Security, Privacy, or App Lock. This is where you enable fingerprint protection. You're not setting system lock now. You're activating app-level biometric control, so the app itself prompts for setup. You tap Enable or App Lock, then choose Fingerprint or Biometric as the protection method. At this stage, the app usually asks you to confirm the device PIN, pattern, or password. Complete that to link App Lock to system biometrics. Once confirmed, toggle the fingerprint lock on and follow any extra prompts like timeout duration or youth frequency. After enabling, exit the app and reopen to test. This verifies the fingerprint prompt appears and that the app locks as expected. Finalize by adjusting timeout, fallback method, and notification preferences within the app lock settings so the behavior matches your needs. If the app fails to detect biometrics, re-enroll fingerprints in system settings. Sometimes sensor calibration fixes issues. If problems persist, clear the app cache, force stop, or reinstall the app. This often resolves corrupted settings. One key troubleshooting tip: confirm the device's secure lock screen is active because many apps require it for fingerprint access to function properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.